Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can activate and implement Apple Pay on your Squarespace website for payments from your customers. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on one of my pages on my website, and the first thing we're going to need to do is to go into the payment section, which is in the site settings. So to get to the settings, you just click on this gear icon right over here. This will open up this menu. It'll take you immediately to the website section, but we want to go over into the selling section, and we're going to go into the payments tab, which is the second from the top. Once you're here, you have a couple of options. The ones that you need to use to have Apple Pay activated on your site are either Square payments. However, these are only in person for cash and credit cards, but people can use Apple Pay in person as well. However, this is for the US only, but if you want it for online payments, you can use Stripe, which does let customers use all major credit cards, Apple Pay, and Afterpay/ClearPay. So just click on this, click connect. It'll open up a new tab, and you're going to need to connect Stripe with Squarespace. If you don't have an account, it's going to ask you to make one so that you can use it. I won't be doing that, but once you connect that, you will also have the option to, well, change the settings of Stripe, and you can turn on Apple Pay through that tab over there. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.